Today, you'll listen to a conversation and learn how to talk about what you want to do and how to ask for someone's opinion. We'll go through a conversation about changing travel plans, along with grammar and speaking practice. If you watch until the end, you'll be able to communicate naturally with Koreans. Here's how to study with this video. If you want to speak Korean with confidence and have real conversations with Koreans, like, comment, and subscribe. To really practice with this lesson, you'll want the companion textbook. You can find it in the description below. Before we start, take a look at the vocabulary list. First, listen without subtitles.
여보세요? 헬로 투어지요?
네, 무엇을 도와드릴까요?
저 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어요. 예약 번호는 A, B, C예요.
아, 네. 언제로 바꾸고 싶으세요?
9월 20일부터 9월 23일까지 가능할까요?
아, 죄송합니다. 그때 부산에서 부산국제영화제가 있어요. 그래서 예약 변경이 어려워요.
Now listen again with Korean subtitles. If you need subtitles in another language, please turn on CC.
여보세요? 헬로 투어지요?
네, 무엇을 도와드릴까요?
저 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어요. 예약 번호는 A, B, C예요.
아, 네. 언제로 바꾸고 싶으세요?
9월 20일부터 9월 23일까지 가능할까요?
아, 죄송합니다. 그때 부산에서 부산국제영화제가 있어요. 그래서 예약 변경이 어려워요.
Now let's learn two grammar points. The first one is 고 싶어요.
네, 무엇을 도와드릴까요?
저 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어요.
고 싶어요 means want to. It's attached to the base of all verbs. 가다, 가고 싶어요. 보다, 보고 싶어요. 먹다, 먹고 싶어요. 운동하다, 운동하고 싶어요. However, when the subject is in the third person, then 고 싶어요 is used instead.
저는 부산에 가고 싶어요.
샘은 부산에 가고 싶어해요.
저는 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어요.
샘은 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어해요. Does it make sense?
저 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어요.
Now let's practice. Look at the picture and the given words and say what goes in the blanks.
저는 기차를 타고 싶어요.
저는 국밥을 먹고 싶어요.
소피아가 수영하고 싶어 해요. Great job! The second grammar is 을까요?
네. 무엇을 도와드릴까요?
저 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어요.
When 을까요 is used in the first person singular I, it seeks the hearer's opinion. 제가 도와드릴까요? 제가 창문을 닫을까요? In contrast, when applied in the first person plural, we, it suggests a joint action to the hearer. This translates to English phrases like, shall we? Or, what about ing? 우리 기차를 탈까요? 우리 집에서 쉴까요? 일까요 is attached to the base of verbs ending with a final consonant. 리을까요 is attached to the base of verbs ending with a vowel. 먹다, 먹을까요? 앉다, 앉을까요? 가다, 갈까요? 청소하다, 청소할까요?
네. 무엇을 도와드릴까요?
Look at the pictures and the given words and complete the sentences using 일까요? or 리을까요? 제가 책을 읽을까요? 우리 소파를 살까요?
같이 한국어를 배울까요?
Great job! Now, let's practice speaking. Before that, I'll show you how to talk about time periods. If you want to say from Monday to Friday, you say 월요일부터 금요일까지. 부터 is used for the start and 까지 is used for the end. 월 means month and 일 means day. So, 4월 7일부터 4월 8일까지 means from April 7th to April 8th. If you need to review numbers, check Unit 5. Now, let's talk with Sam. Think about where you want to go for your summer vacation, when you want to go, and what you want to suggest doing together with Sam. Are you ready? Now fill in the blanks with your own answers and try the conversation.
여름 휴가에 어디에 가고 싶어요? 언제 가고 싶어요? 와, 같이 가고 싶어요.
Now try the same conversation again. This time, there are no blanks.
여름 휴가에 어디에 가고 싶어요? 언제 가고 싶어요? 와, 같이 가고 싶어요.
Nice work! The things you can say yourself are easier to understand when you hear them too. Now listen to the conversation from the beginning again and try the quiz.
여보세요? 헬로 투어지요?
네. 무엇을 도와드릴까요?
저 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어요. 예약 번호는 A, B, C예요.
아, 네. 언제로 바꾸고 싶으세요?
9월 20일부터 9월 23일까지 가능할까요?
아, 죄송합니다. 그때 부산에서 부산국제영화제가 있어요. 그래서 예약 변경이 어려워요.
Quiz time! Choose O for true and X for false, based on the conversation you just heard. 쌤은 여행 장소를 바꾸고 싶어요. 쌤은 여행 날짜를 바꾸고 싶어요. 쌤은 9월에 여행하고 싶어요. 쌤은 9월에 여행하고 싶어요. 9월에 부산에서 부산국제영화제가 있어요. 9월에 부산에서 부산국제영화제가 있어요. Great! Now you can talk about what you want to do and make suggestions, right? Review today's conversation and grammar in the textbook. Then practice more reading, listening, and writing that aren't in the video. That will help make your Korean even stronger.
Sam, I heard you're going on a trip to Busan?
Yeah, that's right. I'm leaving tomorrow.
What are you going to do in Busan?
I want to go to Haeundae and try some Busan food.
You should also check out Jagalchi Market. And the night view of Gwangan Bridge is really beautiful.
Wow, thanks for the recommendations. I'm also going to the Busan International Film Festival.
Whoa, what's that?
It's the biggest film festival in Asia. It's an important cultural event that showcases films from around the world and works by new directors. Besides screenings, there are also programs like meeting actors and directors.
That sounds so fun!
I actually have one extra ticket. Want to come with me?
Next time, let's go to the mountains. Next time, you'll learn how to use descriptive verbs and how to talk about why you're going somewhere. It'll help if you review the vocabulary in advance. See you next time!
Gonna thought about 저쪽 걷다 봐 bottom let's sing along Gonna thought about 저쪽 걷다 봐 bottom singing together Let's work and sing Let's hold hands together ah yeah oh yo 가슴을 펴고 나를 따라 해봐 다 함께 랄랄라 마음 열고 바라봐 사이좋게 아름답게